So right now what we have here are two solid surface tops that is actually very badly stained. Steel is actually really widely used in most residential homes lah. So today I'm going to show you what are the problems, okay, if you use it for a couple of years or even months even, right, after heavy cooking. I believe this countertop has been used for maybe about 4 to 5 years or so, right, but you can see the extent of damage you have around here lah. Alright, so this is actually where stains are being imprinted onto the countertop. And on the other side of the counter, I believe this is actually where the stove is. There's a lot of oil buildup. So, oh, this portion is actually being burnt. Yeah. So before we start coating the surface, okay, or prepping the surface, okay, we will actually first remove some of the fixtures if necessary. So usually the stove, you know, the taps, or sometimes even the sink, okay, we do remove, okay, so we can actually coat towards 90 degrees inside to give a better protection for the customer. The main reason why the owner actually came to us and want us to refurbish the entire countertop is because of, in terms of heat resistance, is definitely higher. Alright, in terms of stains wise, it cannot be stained, and in terms of cleanings, it's very, very easy to clean. Hey guys, I'm back on the third day and I'm really excited to show you the actual finished countertop. So let me run you through it. We have actually put back the two fixtures here, the major ones, the stove and then the sink. And we have actually removed and stripped off the old silicone and actually put a new one over here and over throughout the entire countertop. Right, so at the sides and the bottom here, all the areas are actually clean cut and very nice finish. So it's actually smooth to the touch, and that looks amazing. So why metallic epoxy? Very simple. We only take 2 days to actually give you a completely refurbished countertop. Okay, whatever problems that you actually face with your conventional materials will never happen again. So why not? Get rid of all the problems you're facing right now and let this be the future of your countertop. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.